Okay, welcome to the first in the recreational fisheries videos. And this video is just to define recreational fisheries. Okay, so the first question, if we're going to talk about something, is to understand what it is. We need to be clear always in science. We need to be very clear on our terms. And so if you can just take a moment and try to jot down, pause the video, try to jot down a definition of what you think recreational fishing is off of the top of your head, and then come back. Okay, well done. So what is recreational fishing? We've got a definition here: fishing for pleasure or competition rather than for food, profit, or scientific research. You may get a little bit of food out of the recreational fishing that you do. It's good to get a feed out of it, and it makes it sort of helps to offset the cost a little bit. But if you're fishing for food, that's generally called subsistence fishing. Profit, if you sell your catch or trade your catch in any way, that is then commercial fishing. And scientific research is a separate category. Okay, so this is Dame Juliana Berners. She was a prioress of a nunnery, and she wrote the first known text on recreational fishing in 1496. And it was her main concern with publishing it was that people that weren't in the upper echelons of society would get a hold of it, and that the sport would be ruined rather than being kept for the elite. Like this would cost a couple of $1 million probably. So, but you don't have to, it doesn't have to be something massive and expensive like that. You can have fly fishing or just wade off of the shore. Now these things, these fly fishermen will often spend thousands of dollars on their gear, but you can get make it more simple. Go kayak, and people catch huge fish off kayaks these days. You can go off of the rocks, or you can go as simple as something like a little hand line for fishing for sprats or even quite big fish. In the Chatham Islands, they don't bother with fishing with rods. They just use ropes with like ledger rigs on them and catch hopeka and blue cod. But the point really is for enjoyment. And about a third of New Zealanders go out and fish at least once a year for pleasure. Okay. So to review, the recreational fishing definition is fishing for pleasure or competition rather than for food, profit, or scientific research. That's the definition that you'll need to know for the exam, and also to inform the exercises and learning that we're going to be doing in the classroom. Okay, thank you.